cannot grow your 4 to 5 figure coaching business without certification. Think. So in this video, I'm going to share exactly what are the steps you can do to scale your business to 4 to 5 figures without certification as I did. So before starting, welcome back to my channel, a perfect place for coaches to master their mindset, to create content in a fun way and to grow their coaching business in a profitable way. Before starting, I am Rachna.ranawat, a full-time entrepreneur, a mom, a wife and a leader to create more leaders. In this video, I'll share exactly what you can do to scale your coaching business to 4 to 5 figures without certification. So I don't have anything against certification, but I can see a lot of coaches stopping themselves from getting successful with the thought that they don't have certification, and what they do is they spend a lot of their time, money and energy on certification for years, and what they do forget is that to practice their coaching skills they need clients, and to get clients they need to aware that how to get clients. So in spite of this, instead on learning how to grow their coaching business, they spend all their time on those certification where they delay this process of bringing any cash or any client inside their business and for years, and when they don't get clients they keep on lowering their prices and self-sabotaging themselves and wonder why are they not getting clients even at lower prices. If you are a coach who's spending money after money on those certification thinking that you need all of them, then you are highly mistaken. What you need is to learn how to grow your coaching business, to bring those clients, to bring that income inside your coaching business without wasting any more time. I've been in my business for more than 2 years where I have positioned myself as a multiple 4-figure coach without any certification. But I want to make one thing very clear, that I didn't have any certification, but what I did have was my experience in my previous profession in marketing and content creation. So that was enough for me to get started as a coach where I can help other business owners with their marketing and content creations. So I didn't hold myself with a thought that I cannot get started as a coach as I don't have any certification. Remember that certification is not the condition you need to pass when you are getting started as a new coach. So number one thing you can do to build a multiple 4 to 5 figure coaching business without certification is sell the transformation, results your client want. But what most coaches do, they focus only on their coaching skills and they forget that how they can optimize those coaching skills to help their clients getting the result they want. So in that case, when you're helping your clients getting the result they want, you don't need certifications. So don't forget that your qualifications as a coach are based on your skills, experience and most of all your results. So if you got that transformation for yourself, that means you are all set to become a coach without any certification. So number 2, where you can build a multiple 4 to 5 figure coaching business without certification is package that transformation. So now when you are clear that this is the transformation you will be selling to your client, so it's now time to package that transformation into an offer where you will take your ideal client from their current situation to their desired situation, eliminating all their fears, getting them results they always wanted. So when you will be doing this, you don't need any certification, because when your client will get results after working with you, that means you are getting credibility as a coach. In that case, again you can build a multiple 4 to 5 figure coaching business without any certifications. So now you will ask me, now how to sell that offer we have created? So well, the answer is you can sell that offer with the right marketing followed up with the right branding and the right selling, where you get identification as an expert coach, where you stand out, building demand for your offer with the right content, thus helps in selling your offer. Okay, so now you will ask me, so it sounds so complicated. So well, it is not complicated, as you are not aware of the right way of creating that content. Once you become aware of creating the right content, that builds your credibility, that gets you visibility, that sells out your offer, you just not become expert in creating content, but at the same time you can repurpose the same content, build your brand on various social media platforms. So it's just not beneficial for your business in the short run, but it is beneficial for your building that unique brand for your business in the long run as well. So when you become a brand, you don't need any certification, as people start coming to you as for the results you are giving to your clients, the credibility you have made for yourself, thus charging higher, building a 4 to 5 figure coaching business, even 6 figures without certifications. To save your time along having those coaching certification, aware yourself that how you can grow your coaching business, earning that good amount of money for yourself without wasting any time. So how did you find the video? Share with me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting the notification about all such videos where you master your mindset, where you master your content creation and build a successful growing coaching business with me. So when you become a brand, so when